Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. Again, I'm Shelly from Shelly's Bakeshop. Today we're going to do something a little different. Instead of showing you how to decorate a cake or trying out a new recipe or a new product, I thought that I would show you some cakes that I've done in the past. Now, some of them I did do on my own and some of them I did with my sisters and my mom. So it's just a random selection of cakes that we've done that we do like a lot. Some of them were done years ago, some of them are pretty recent. that was some of our favorite cakes that we've done in the past. If there are any, again, that you want to try, that you had questions on how to make something, I would gladly do it again. If there are, again, any recipes that you want us to give a whirl, or any types of design that you have always wanted to see how to do, but you're not really sure, let me know. I'd be happy to do them. I hope you enjoyed seeing the photos of some cakes that we've done in the past, and cookies and cupcakes. And leave any questions or comments below. I'd be happy to answer them. Thanks, and have a great day.